Hey guys, we're Evan and Katelyn, and today we are taking on the traditional Christmas time project of decorating a beard.
You know, it's the holidays, and the holidays are for following your heart. And this is what my heart's telling me to do.
And my heart is telling me that I should give back and make Katelyn a beard too.
What?
All right, Katelyn, what do you have in store for me? Why are you getting lights? All right, Katelyn.
I'm assuming we are near your secret material.
I think I found it.
Oh my God.
It matches perfectly. I'm gonna turn this into a beard for you. Okay, I just want to preview. Do a little bit of cutting.
How do I look?
So scary, like so scary. Katelyn has been wanting to do a beard decoration video ever since she saw Jen and Julian do it on Jen's channel. How are you gonna get like the glitter on my beard?
That didn't stick very well. It's okay, you know what? You know what? This is terrible.
Oh my gosh, this is on my pants.
To a great start. How did Jenna get it to stick? But maybe I give you like a spritz. Beard oil. Should put some,
Oh no. Ladies.
Oh, look at that. But here's my question.
Oh
Should I
no.
do your mustache and your eyebrows a different color? And
Oh no.
patch?
Oh no. Don't isolate them.
No, I'm gonna leave the soul patch and I'm gonna consider what to do with it.
Send help.
It really like gets on there. It gets on your skin too, and everywhere that the oil touched.
Glitter on my face, glitter on my pants.
Oh my God!
Ruby, send help! Is this everything you wanted it to be?
I had the time of my life. I'm doing it. I'm doing it and it looks so good. Oh yeah. Oh my God, you exhaled.
Oh. I got your back.
Do you like it? Pretty good, right?
It's something.
This is a good starter. Your brows are amazing. Now it's time to accessorize. I'm gonna pause this. Do you like it? Oh. Boy, got glitter on her. I'm sorry. First, we have these little jingle bells.
All right, now it's a DIY.
So I've got bobby pins. Yes. See how I glitter.
Is it in there?
It's in there. Kind of like obscured and like hidden. So you mainly see the jingles. Literally jingle when you talk.
Hello, guys.
Hello.
Hello. I talk normal now.
Hello, don't be afraid. Just riding the chair.
Hello, don't be afraid.
It looks good if you're far away, but if you're close, it just looks like there's bobby pins in your beard.
It's quite a good jingle.
It looks good.
What's the next step?
Snowballs. They're really light, so they might like just kind of stick to you.
You're just gonna like place them in my beard.
Oh, that's like pretty in there.
Does this look like snow or like something got stuck in my beard?
I mean, all of this looks like something got stuck in your beard. I'm gonna use them to distract from the bobby pins.
Hey guys, if you are looking to get your beard decorated for Christmas,
Avant-garde. My new line of beard. This looks good. Okay, I have like 3 more. This is the Halo song. Right?
It's getting there.
You don't notice the bobby pins as much anymore, right? No.
Not at all. Not at all.
Last thing. Now these, I don't really know exactly how I'm attaching these. I'm just gonna like discreetly. Nope. What do you think? It's nice, right? It's like really festive. It's like a nice Christmas party look. Beard tour. A lot of festivity in the lower beard happening, but eyebrows and mustache really bring it to home plate. It looks great. It feels great. It brings out the oh no! No! Stop shaking on the snowballs! I like. Wait, I have one more thing.
Where's the battery pack gonna go? I feel like a tacky house.
Poorly decorated Christmas tree. Okay, are you ready for this? Now it's time for Evan's payback.
All right, guys, now it's time for a completely normal tutorial on how to make a beard. First off, for your wife. First off, you get a faux fur sheet. This one is 9 by 12. I have no clue. I'm gonna generally size it right there. Yep.
Custom beard.
Custom beard. Wait until you see it. Okay.
Whoa! Oh my god. How do I look?
It's terrifying, yet kind of accurate. It needs a bigger mouth hole. It needs a bigger.
Evan has told me to heat up the hot glue gun, which is terrifying.
How else are we gonna attach this to your face?
Oh.
What do you guys think? Is this about even? So next up, we're gonna attach some string.
Oh yeah, that feels good. That feels right.
Because that's how quality work is done. So the one thing that this beard lacks, glue.
And then straight to my face. Oh, and then it looks voluptuous.
There you go. No one cared who I was until I put on the mask. Is it too... Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! No! Nightmare fuel! Let's go find a mirror. You need to see a mirror.
Oh my god! I look like a little lady Jesus!
What have we done to each other?
Oh my god, this looks like a real beard. Oh, it's so weird when I talk and it moves my mouth.
Looks so glamorous.
Oh my god. This looks so good. This looks so good. Like, if I had a beard in real life, I'm gonna do now, because I'm keeping this. Like, look how dapper I am.
You're so dapper.
Ladies. Let's see what Doobie thinks. Come here, baby. Come here. It's safe. Nothing to be afraid of. She doesn't like me. Oh, hi. Wanna come give it a sniff? Yes, it's nice. Do you like it? Yeah, she proves.
The smile is the absolute creepiest thing I've seen. All right, here we are, just two normal people.
Ready for the holidays.
Ready for the holidays. I think that you look like super legit. You look like Jesus.
I do.
You look, and like, I look like a raccoon that got into like Christmas decorations. Like, how do you look so good?
I think I just need to grow a beard now.
It's like It's like awesome lady Jesus with her hobo friend.
Invite us to your parties.
Well, thank you guys for just watching a video of us enjoying our dreams.
Thank you for humoring me and for opening my eyes to my new look. Because this is it. I'm not going back. Prepare yourselves for Katelyn in 2019.
We'll get back to real, solid projects really soon.
Or we'll just do beards all the time. Beard channel. Bye!
When you look at me, I don't even know who you are.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
I love it just when it's just your like teeth showing through.